Taste, yeah, again. Look at this. I will put this soup in a packet. I don't know. It's like in siya, I don't know.
Every time you say, I don't know, that's a pound.
Angka? I'm going to do for the I don't know recipe.
Pound.
Did I agree with you? The 2 pound was this? And what I did is the soup, yeah, in the packet, I put it, the chicken that the broth together with a vegetable. So the water, just pour this in to add taste. And who will eat this? I don't know. Very good.
Keep it going, Lucy.
Huh?
Keep it going.
But you know that every kiss I did to you, it cost it cost £2.
£2.
Yeah, every kiss. I don't know what I'm doing now. So my husband, Popsi, is okay. What did you cook? What did you cook? You prepared the burger.
I haven't cooked anything yet.
Oh, huh?
I haven't cooked anything.
Why?
Because I'm sorting out other people.
So Ethan is only asking for the sandwich. Oh my
What did I
god.
just say to you?
Yeah, I know, but Ethan, why only sandwich?
I don't know. Just want to sandwich.
Actually, he had the burger.
Just let me have a sandwich.
Oh, earlier lunch, we had the burger.
I'll go and try the burger.
So this is it, my I don't know recipe, hon. It's done. You want my I don't know recipe? Not now. Do you want my I don't know recipe? You want to try? Taste?
I don't know.
I'll show you my I don't know recipe. When Bobby says I don't know now. So this is my I don't know recipe. Okay. I'll get rid of this. Yeah. Because this is where I get the broth. And that's it, that one. So I don't know. Let me taste. You want to taste, hon? Because I've done my 36 hours straight nights. Yay, celebration for the beer. Celebration with the beer. So this is how it looks like. Wow, my I don't know recipe.